Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today you are going to learn how to cage the cap of your corset, the breast cap of your corset. Okay, now this is a pattern that I made, and this also I have this here SSA because I'm going to give it a sleeve at the armhole sleeve. I'm going to give it an armhole sleeve. If you are not giving it an armhole sleeve, it means you're going to cut it here. Now if you want to know how I came by this, you can watch my video. I'm going to leave the link there for you to watch. So this one is caging of breast cap. So we are going to get this these lines. So I'll measure what I have here. That is 4 inches. And so when I come here is 4 inches. 4 inches here. I'm going to come here and measure the what I have here is 2.5. So I will stand here 2.5. So this is how I'm going to make my breast cap. And then from this here also I have 2.5. And then here I have 3.75. So 3.75 also here. Okay, so with my curve like this, I'm going to draw this. And then I'm going to draw this also. So you can decide to maintain either this cap, or you can decide to have what I'm going to do now. Do you get it? This also. So this is A, B, this is C, this is D. See, you need to make all these lines, all these markings, directions, so that you know what this is. Now the next thing to do is we are going to put these two aside, and then we are going to use sellotape to tape this together. So this is it. You see, I'm going to place this on another paper and cut. Okay, so this, at the end of the day, you're going to have 3. You see, you're going to place this on a fabric. So place this on a fabric and cut. We'll give 1/2 inch to all around. Give 1/2 inch to all. Then we'll continue. Okay guys, so I've placed them on fabric and cut them out. Now after when I watched the video, I realized that I made a mistake somewhere, especially on this part. So I'm going to correct that mistake. So I'll put this aside. I'll take this off. I'm going to take this off and correct the mistake. Now, okay, supposed to measure this side here 3.75, you see, but I ended up measuring 2.5. So this is the side, this is here. Instead of measuring the 3.75, I rather measure 2.75, and then I made the cutting here. So I rather bring it here 3.75 here. So it's here, you see. And then this side is 2.5. To have 2.5, exactly 2.5 also here, you see. So the 2.5, as for the 2.5, I got it right. So I'm going to join this to this. I'm supposed to cut it here. So in joining these two, so this is it. You see, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. I've changed my mind. Okay, so this is what I have now. It will. Now let me see what I have here. Okay, so this is what I have now. I'm going to add ½ inch so that I can get it very well. So ½ inch here. So I'll cut this. Now, after making the corrections, I need to make corrections on this one also because we have changed the shape. So we have this here and we have this here. Okay, so I'm going to place these and cut the same thing again. Then I'll show it to you. Okay guys, so here is it. I have cut lining for 8, attached Stephen wadding to the lining. Do you get it? Because I don't want to attach the stiff to the fabric direct, that is why I decided to cut lining for 8. Do you get it? Okay, so I'm going to attach the lining to it this way. You see, attach the lining to it this way. You see, so I'm going to sew to join. So these two are going to serve as a lining for the actual thing. Do you get it? I'll come to this also. Now I have it this way here and then here. So I have it this way. Now this will face it this way, and then this one too this way. You see, so this is going to be the actual thing, the actual fabric. Do you get it? So I'll also join, so to join it together, so that it will be one. So that's here. You see, now to join it, this is how we are going to do it. So this is B, so here is A, B, C, D. So this one is going to come here like this. You see, like this. Join it together this way, join it together this way. You see, and then I'm going to sew on this line. See, sew on it up to this point. Do you get it? Then after, I'll open up this way, you see, and then join this to it this way. You see, exactly in the middle. Do you get it? Sew on it this way. Do you get it? So that's how I'm going to do it. I'll do the same for this and then do the same thing for the wadding too. So I'm going to join it, then I'll come and show it to you. Okay guys, so this is it. I've joined them, so you see, and this is the one with the wadding, you see, and after I ironed inside, now we are going to do the caging on this one. This is what we'll use as a lining. So I opened up and then ironed it. I'm going to rule lines here where I will attach my boning on top. So from the middle here, I'm going to measure like 1.5 inch. You see, 1.5. So I'll just use my eyes to gauge it. You see, I'm going to draw another line also for this part. You can do it so that easy for you. You see, we have another 2 lines also here. Then I'll have to take them also. Okay, so hope you can see. Yes, and I'm going to rule another lines also here. You can also measure the same 1.5. Next one also here. Okay. So you see we have a box. So make sure it will not get to the ends here, because we'll sew another one there. So here, then like this, you see, and then I'll sew on both sides. I'll sew here, you see, all to this. Now when I get here, I will end here and cut it off. Do you get it? And I'm going to place it in all the lines this way, all the lines. So we are going to the machine to do this for you to see. I'm going to start sewing from this side. So as you can see, it is not up to the edge here, you see, and I'm going to sew. Done with this. Okay, so I am done. You see, after this we are going to go all around also. You get it? Okay, it's here. Sew this line through to this point. Do you get it? So okay guys, so here is it. I'm done. This is the end result, you see. Now when you finish, the next thing to do, we are going to push it inside, because this is going to serve as the lining. You can do this on the actual lining that we attached on the fabric. You can do it on it, then after you use this one to turn it. Do you get it? See, so you pick this one, the one that goes with it, armhole here, armhole here. So you are going to place it this way, and we are going to sew all through. So look at where the boning ends, and then you're going to sew there all through to where it's supposed to end. You get it? And then after you turn it. But this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join it to the body of the dress. I will join this to the lining. I'll join this to the actual fabric before I attach it this way. So you have to watch the next video to know how I went by it. So after everything is going to be like this, you see, it's going to be like this. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video and leave a comment. Bye bye.